हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 58 के क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर्स। ये वीडियो सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्विक रिवीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो ऑफ फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो के जो डिटेल वीडियो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, वहाँ पे आप जाके देख सकते हैं। एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट के सारे पीडीएफ अवेलेबल हैं, आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में उसके लिए चेक कर सकते हैं। पहले हम यहाँ देखेंगे केमिस्ट्री बायो, देन केमिस्ट्री, देन फिजिक्स पे। ओके, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो के टाइम स्टाम्प भी दिए हुए हैं वहाँ डिस्क्रिप्शन में, देख के आप सीधे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो पे जंप कर सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट देखते हैं बायो का। द सेल्स दैट लाइंस द डक्ट्स ऑफ मेमरी ग्लैंड्स आर, आंसर होगा बी स्ट्रेटिफाइड क्यूबॉइडल इपिथेलियम। एक्सप्लेनेशन है, स्ट्रेटिफाइड क्यूबॉइडल इपिथेलियम फॉर्म्स द लाइनिंग ऑफ द डक्ट्स ऑफ द larger glands like salivary, sebaceous, sweat, mammary and pancreas. It gives protection against mechanical and chemical damage. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, मार्क द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हाइड्रोपोनिक्स। आंसर डी है ऑल ऑफ दीज, यानी इट कैन अवॉइड प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सॉइल बॉर्न पैथोजेंस, इट अवॉइड्स प्रॉब्लम ऑफ वीडिंग आउट ऑफ सीजन वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्लावर्स कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर यहाँ पे देखते हैं थर्ड, सिलेटेड मोटाइल स्पोर्ट्स आर कॉल्ड, आंसर बी जू स्पोर्ट्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर, sequential pills contain, answer C both A and B, a high dose of estrogen, moderate dose of progesterone. Question number 5, the plant hormone that induces cell proliferation, plant growth and development, triggers callus differentiation, embryogenesis, maintenance of root and shoot meristems, keeps the cut flowers and vegetables fresh, is answer B cytokinase. Question number 6, sperm's acrosome has, answer C hyaluronidase, proacrosine and acid phosphatase. 7, select an incorrect statement with respect to capitulum inflorescence of sunflower, answer C ray florets are bisexual. बाकी सारे जो हैं विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू कैपिचुलम सही है, ए बी और सी सही है। मेन एक्सिस बिकम्स अ फ्लैट रिसेप्टर, फ्लोरेट्स आर साइलेंट, मेनी डिस्क फ्लोरेट्स आर एक्टिनोमॉर्फिक। 8 number, a bacterium divides every 35 minutes if a culture containing 10 per 5 cells per ml is grown for 125 minutes. What will be the cell concentration per ml after 125 ml 125 minutes? आंसर है 32 into 10 power 5 cells। इस टाइप क्वेश्चन पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में आ चुके हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, स्टेटमेंट 1, टाइगर इज नॉट एन इंडेंजर्ड एनिमल इन इंडिया। स्टेटमेंट 2, प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर वाज लॉन्च टू improve the tiger population. Answer A both A and B statements are true. 10 number, which of the following was the transitional stage between apes and humans? Answer A Australopithecus ramidus। यहाँ पे दो है, स्टेरोफिथेकस और रेमिडस, स्टेरोफिथेकस अफ्रीकैनस, तो यहाँ पर सी होगा आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, आइडेंटिफाई द ऑप्शन दैट हैज करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग बायो फर्टिलाइजर्स। आंसर होगा सी, बी एंड सी जो है करेक्ट है, यानी एंजियोस्पर्म एंड ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी आर नॉन सिम्बायोटिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स, माइकोराइजा इज द सिम्बायोटिक फॉस्फेट सोलुबलाइजिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, और ये रहे एक्सप्लेनेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, ग्राफ्टिंग इज अ टेक्निक विच इन्वॉल्व्स, आंसर होगा बी 2 and 3 ओनली, मतलब ए कंप्लीट प्लांट प्रोडक्शन, द फिजिकल एंड फिजियोलॉजिकल ज्वाइनिंग ऑफ टू सेपरेट इंडिविजुअल्स, और ये रहे एक्सप्लेनेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं 13, बाई वाल्व्स आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज, आंसर डी सेल्फिश। 14, the fundamental cause of the sickle cell disease is a change in the structure of, answer C hemoglobin। 15, the total number of nitrogenous bases in human genome is estimated to be about, answer B 3.1 billion। 16, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome are all related to, answer C X chromosome। 17, the given below representation for the diagnosis of कौन सा फीवर के लिए है? फेसेस कल्चर, विडाल टेस्ट, यूरिन कल्चर, ब्लड कल्चर, विक्स। ओके, ये जो है एंट्रिक के लिए है, एंट्रिक फीवर के लिए। ओके, आगे आता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 पे, आइडेंटिफाई द सर्कल्ड फेज ऑफ सेल डिवीजन। आंसर होगा ए प्रोफेज ऑफ माइटोसिस। Question number 19. How many types of RNA polymerase are required for RNA synthesis? Answer C. In eukaryotes, three different types of RNA polymerases are required where RNA polymerase second transcribes mRNA, miRNA, and snRNA genes. And these are explanations. 20 number. Yeast has become important in genetic engineering because it answers D all of these. Has plasmids that can be genetically engineered, allows the study of eukaryotic gene regulation and expression, grows rapidly, radially and rapidly in the laboratory. 21. Pneumotaxic center which can moderate the functions of the respiratory rhythm center is present at answer A. Pons region in brain. 22. The bulk fixation of carbon through photosynthesis takes place in answer C. Ocean. 23. Identify the correct match with respect to population. C. Cuckoo and crow brood parasitism. 24. Which of the following is a correct pair? Answer A. Cuscuta parasite. 25. Which of the following are protozoans? Answer C. Amoeba, dinoflagellates, paramecium or plasmodium. एंड आइटम्स एक मिनट यहाँ पे करेक्शन होना चाहिए। अमीबा के बाद जो है फ्लैजिलेट्स होगा, अमीबा डायनो नहीं होगा, अमीबा फ्लैजिलेट्स सीडिएट्स यानी कि यहाँ पे पैरामीशियम और प्लाज्मोडियम होना चाहिए। यहाँ इसमें कुछ करेक्शन है। तो आगे देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 में, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स इज करेक्टली मैच्ड विथ रिगार्ड टू द कोडोन एंड द एमिनो एसिड कोडेड बाय इट। आंसर होगा बी ए हो जो लाइसिन कोड करता है। 27. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज आर ट्रू फॉर फंजाई। आंसर होगा सी ए ओनली जो द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस विच डील्स विद द स्टडी ऑफ फंजाई इज टर्म्ड एज माइसिटोलॉजी। ओके, next question number 28. The given below diagram is the representation of answer B. Longitudinal boundary fusion in Eugleena. Question number 29. A monoclonal antibody differs from a polyclonal antibody in that monoclonal antibodies answer C are synthesized by a population of identical or cloned cells. 30. A volume of healthy human blood is answer A 5 to 6 liters. 31. There are 10 flowers in an individual plant of Crotalaria. In each microsporangium of every stamen of all the flowers, there are 30 microspore mother cells. How many pollen grains are formed from that plant? Answer D 48,000. Question number next 32. In sweet peach genes C and P are necessary for color in flowers. The flowers are white in the absence of either of both the genes. What will be the percentage of colored flowers in the offspring of cross CCPP cross with CCPP? Answer C 25%. Next question, these are explanations. Question number 33. Statement 1. Reddit data book has a record of all animals. Statement 2. Extreme conservation is the best method to protect endangered species. आंसर हमारा डी होगा। ये स्टेटमेंट 1 जो है फॉल्स है और स्टेटमेंट सेकेंड जो है ट्रू है। 34. Listed below the 4 respiratory capacities and 4 jumbled respiratory volumes of normal human adult. Okay, which of the following pairs of capacities and volumes is matched correctly with each other? Okay, तो ये क्वेश्चन जो है रिपीट कर चुका है और नीट में भी आ चुका है। तो यहाँ आंसर जो होगा 4 का बी यानी कि इंस्पायरेटरी कैपेसिटी का बी यानी 3500 ml और फर्स्ट का सी होगा यानी कि रेसिडुअल वॉल्यूम का 1200 ml होता है। ओके, रेसिडुअल वॉल्यूम 1200, वाइटल कैपेसिटी 4500 ml, इंस्पायरेटरी रिजर्व वॉल्यूम 2500 ml और इंस्पायरेटरी कैपेसिटी 3500 ml होते हैं। 35. यह स्ट्रक्चर दिया हुआ है इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अल्फा अमीनो एसिड बेस्ड ऑन डिफरेंट आर ग्रुप्स द फॉलोइंग अमीनो एसिड्स आर फॉर्म्ड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट अमीनो एसिड अकॉर्डिंग टू डिफरेंट ग्रुप आर ग्रुप। आंसर होगा सी आर जो है वह CH2OH सेरीन है। Question number 36. Match the source gland with respective hormone as well as the function correctly. आंसर होगा बी source gland posterior pituitary hormone vasopressin function stimulates reabsorption of water in the distal tubules in the nephron. Question number 37. Which of the following is correct regarding electron transport system of respiration? Answer C. Complex 4 causes the reduction of molecular oxygen. 38. Select the correct statement. आंसर हमारा डी होगा बी एंड सी जो है करेक्ट है. न्यूमेटोफोर्स आर सीन इन राजाफोरा और सी है एडवेंटिडियस रूट्स आर सीन इन द बनियान ट्री. 39. Which one statement regarding plasma membrane is correct? Answer A. Its outer and inner layer is electron dense while the middle layer is electron transparent. 40 number. Match the terms in column 1 with their description in column 2 and choose the correct option. Okay. Answer will be B. A का 2 यानी डोमिनेंस का होगा. 2 इन हेट्रोजाइगस ओनली वन एलील एक्सप्रेसेस इटसेल्फ. B का थर्ड यानी को डोमिनेंस का होगा. थर्ड इन हेट्रोजाइगस ऑर्गेनिज्म बोथ एलील्स एक्सप्रेस देमसेल्व्स फुल्ली. C का 4 यानी पेलोट्रोपी का होगा. 4 अ सिंगल जीन इन्फ्लुएंसेस मेनी कैरेक्टर्स. और डी का 1 यानी पॉलीजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस का 1 मेनी जीन्स govern a single character. 41. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer D. The flower of a tulip is a modified shoot. 42. Which of the following statement is incorrect about metagenesis? Answer B. Metagenesis similar to alternation of generation as found in plants. ये गलत है. बाकी A, B और D सही हैं. Alternation of sexual and asexual phase in the life cycle of ovale is called metagenesis. Both medusa and polyp are diploid. Medusa is the sexual phase and polyp is asexual phase. 43. Which of the following substances, if introduced in the bloodstream, would cause coagulation of blood at the site of its introduction? Answer C. Thromboplastin. 44. A lake near a village suffered heavy mortality of fishes within a few days. Consider the following reason for this. Answer होगा C. 1 and 3. यानी कि lots of urea and phosphate fertilizer were used in the crops in the vicinity. और थर्ड यहाँ पे द लेक वाटर टर्न ग्रीन एंड स्टिंकी. 45. मैच द फॉलोइंग कॉलम्स एंड चूज द करेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शन. आंसर होगा ए का 4 यानी कि प्लांटी का होगा 4 यानी कि एल्गी. बी का 3 फंजाई का फाइकोमाइसिटीज. सी का 2 यानी प्रोटिस्टा का यूग्लोनाइड्स. और डी का 1 मोनेरा का बैक्टीरिया. 46. The diagram given below shows how things get to and from the liver. They are labeled as A, B, C, D, E, and F. Which one of the following labelings is the correct one? Okay. तो यहाँ पे ABCD के बारे में यहाँ आंसर होगा C. D is the hepatic portal vein and F is the hepatic vein. Okay. 47. Identify the characters with reference to the plant in which 8 nucleated embryo sac was first studied by Strasburger. आंसर हमारा सी होगा 1 and 2 यानी कि 1 है माइक्रोपाइल चलाजन एंड फिनिकल्स आर अरेंज द सेम वर्टिसेज लाइन इन द ओव्यूल. और जो सेकंड है प्रेजेंस ऑफ बोथ यूनिसेक्सुअल एंड बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर्स इन द सेम प्लांट. 48. Which of the following statements regarding food chain is false? Answer D. Primary consumers belongs to the first trophic level जो false है. बाकी A, B, C सही है. In aquatic ecosystem grazing food chain is the major conduit for energy flow. B है in terrestrial ecosystem a large fraction of energy flows through detritus food chain. The detritus food chain begins with dead organic matter. 49. Biopiracy does not involve. Answer A. Exploitation of bioresources with permission. परमिशन नहीं होते हैं. बाकी बी सी डी जो है वो इन्वॉल्व होते हैं पेटेंटिंग बायोरिसोर्सेज विदाउट ऑथराइजेशन. बोथ एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ बायोरिसोर्सेज एंड पेटेंटिंग बायोरिसोर्सेज विदाउट ऑथराइजेशन यूटिलाइजेशन विदाउट ऑथराइजेशन. 50. Read the following 5 statements A to E and answer as asked next to them. ए है यहाँ पे जो आंसर है डी है यानी कि answer as asked next to the them. Okay. तो यहाँ पे क्या पूछा हुआ है दिया हुआ नहीं है स्टेटमेंट के बाद. तो यहाँ पे आंसर तो डी है 1. और यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेनेशन एक बार देख लेते हैं जिससे क्वेश्चन का क्लियरिटी मिल जाएगा. तो ecosystem is a pterophyte and in pterophyte the main plant body is sporophyte which is differentiated into true root, stem and leaves. Gametophytes are small or inconspicuous and free living, mostly photosynthetic thalloid called prothallus. Rixia is a liverwort and Polytrichum is a moss. The sporophyte in moss is more elaborate than that in liverworts. Volvos shows an isogamous fusion, that is fusion between one large motile static female gamete and a smaller motile male gamete during unfavorable conditions. The slime mold differentiates and forms fruiting bodies bearing spores at their tips. The spores possess true walls. They are extremely resistant and survive for many years even under adverse conditions. 51 यहाँ पे कह रहा है विच द फॉलोइंग फीचर इज करेक्ट अबाउट ए। आंसर जो हमारा है वो ए और बी जो है सही है। इंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड और लिम्फॉइड ऑर्गन यानी कि थाइमस ग्लैंड के बारे में बोल रहा है। ओके, आता क्वेश्चन 52, which of the following is not an important step in lactation? Answer C, high protein level induces milk accumulation during pregnancy। गलत है, बाकी सारे ए बी और डी सही हैं। प्रोलैक्टिन लेवल्स इंक्रीज स्टिल्ली ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी। एस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्टेरॉन स्टिमुलेट द ग्रोथ and development of breast during throughout pregnancy. After paturation, estrogen and progesterone level decrease and lactation occurs. 53. The respiratory quotient during cellular respiration would depend on the answer B, nature of the substrate. 54. In a transverse section of a sunflower root, answer D, the protoxylem vessels are present towards the periphery and metaxylem vessels are present towards the center. 55. Which of the following statements are true false? आंसर होगा ए 1, 3 एंड 5 ट्रू है, 4 सेकेंड और फोर्थ फॉल्स है। तो 1, 3, 5 के यहाँ देख लेते हैं। 1 यहाँ पे कह रहा है द ब्लड ट्रांसपोर्ट्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कंपेरेटिवली इजीली बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स हाईएस्ट solubility। थर्ड यहाँ पे कह रहा है द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द टिश्यू डिफ्यूजेस पैसिवली इनटू द ब्लड स्ट्रीम एंड passes into the red blood corpuscles and react with water to form H2CO3। और 5 यहाँ पे कह रहा है द क्लोराइड आयन diffuse from plasma into the erythrocytes to maintain ionic balance। ओके, ये रहे सारे एक्सप्लेनेशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 56, select the two correct statement out of the 4 1 to 4 given below about lac oberon। द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट कौन कौन है? तो आंसर हमारा सी है 2 एंड 4। मतलब 2 है इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ लैक्टोज द रिप्रेसर बाइंड्स विद द ऑपरेटर जीन, और 4 है दिस वाज इलस्ट्रेटेड बाय फ्रांसिस जैकब एंड मोनोड। Question number 57. Based on cellular mechanism, there are two major types of regeneration found in the animals. Which one of the following is the correct example of the type mentioned? Answer B, morpholepsis, regeneration of uh, two transversely cut equal pieces of hydra into two small hydras। Question 58. Match the words in column 1 and those of column 2। आंसर ए का 2 यानी PCR का होगा 2 amplifies a single DNA sequence of to generate thousands to millions of the more copies of that particular DNA segment। B का 1 यानी एलाइजा का फर्स्ट यानी कि dictates and measures antibodies in the blood। C का 4 यानी कि मॉन्टक्स टेस्ट होगा 4 होगा यानी कि डिप्थेरिया सॉरी ट्यूबरक्लोसिस। और जो 6 टेस्ट जो है होगा थर्ड यानी डिप्थेरिया का। नेक्स्ट 59, which the following cellular parts is correctly described? Answer C, thylakoids flattened membranous sacs forming the grana of chloroplast। और ये रहे explanation। 16 number is statement 1, cryopreservation is the one of the best method of germ plasm storage। Statement 2, in cryopreservation the cells remain in a state of suspended metabolism। आंसर ए होगा। statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true। statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1 यानी कि रीजन ऐसा टाइप का भी इसमें दे दिया है। What does the term apical dominance means? Answer B, suppression of growth of axillary buds by the presence of apical buds under the effect of hormone or genes। 62, which the following ecosystem has the maximum amount of biomass production? Answer A, forest ecosystem। 63. Statement 1 Statement 2 Organic farming initiates sustainable development. Statement 2 There is no need to use chemical fertilizer for crops which decreases the problems like biomagnificence. See, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 64. An old piece of dicot stem and a dicot root is given to a candidate during practical examination. Which of the following anatomical structures can be used to distinguish between the two? Answer C. Protoxylem. 65. In which of the following condition transpiration will be maximum? Answer D. High osmotic humidity. 66. What is the following is correct for the movement of DNA fragments on agarose gel during gel electrophoresis? Answer B. The smaller the fragment size, the further it moves. 67. Angiosperms evolved during? Answer C. Cretaceous. 68. ADH is? Answer B. The hormone produced by the hypothalamus and secreted by the neurohypophysis that promotes reabsorption of water from the glomerular filtrate. 69. Humoral immunity is due to? Answer A. B. Lymphocytes. 70. The net pressure gradient that causes the fluid to filter out of the glomeruli into the capsule is? Answer C. 10 mmHg. 71. Select the correct statement from the following. Answer D. Activated sludge sediment in settlement tank of sewage treatment plant is a rich source of anaerobic bacteria. 72. Which of the following disorder is an outcome of irregularities in metabolism of the nitrogenous waste? Answer B. Gouty arthritis. 73. Mycoplasma differs from virus in being sensitive to? Answer B. Tetracycline. 74. Hemocyanin, the blue color respiratory pigment of molluscans blood, contains? Answer B. Copper as the central metal ion. This is explanation. 75. Which of the following is incorrect about the light frictions of photosynthesis? Answer A. Uh, and are the reaction centers of PS1 and PS2 respectively. 76. The bone matrix consists of? Answer A. 65% inorganic matter and 35% organic matter. 77. In an area of population with large size individuals having a long lifespan, more parental care and slow development was present, the type of population growth curve will be? Answer A. S-shaped. 78. Population of a human protein in bacteria by genetic engineering is possible because? Answer D. The genetic code is universal. 79. Which of the following techniques blastomeres up to 8 cell stage is introduced into the fallopian tube? Answer D. Zygote intrafallopian transfer. 80. Which of the following is the species? Answer C. Familiaris. 81. The ribs that are directly attached to the sternum are? Answer A. First 7 pairs. 82. The columnar epithelium is found in? Answer A. Lining of intestine. 83. Copper ions released from copper releasing intrauterine devices? Answer D. Suppress sperm motility. 84. The chromosome complement of the somatic cells in all human beings is? Answer C. 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of heterosomes. 85. Inulin is? Answer C. A homopolymer of fructose. 86. Number of meiotic divisions required to produce 200 to 400 seeds of P would be? Answer D. 250 to 500. 87. There are two opposing views about origin of modern man. According to one view, Homo erectus in Asia were the ancestor of modern man. A study of variation in DNA, however, suggested African origin of modern man. What kind of observation on DNA variation could be suggested this? Answer B. Greater variation of Africa than in Asia. 88. Visual index is found in vital index of population is? तो यहाँ पे जो है ऑप्शन में थोड़ा इसमें ब्लैंक है, थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक है, तो यहाँ एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं। वाइडर इंडेक्स इन द वाइडर इंडेक्स इज द रेशियो ऑफ बर्थ टू डेथ विद इन अ पॉपुलेशन ड्यूरिंग अ गिवन टाइम। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 89, transfusion tissue is found in answer B, cycus leaflet. Last question 90, which of the following is the example of conditioned reflex? Answer D, trained dog salivates when you ring a bell. Okay, तो ये थे सारे केमिस्ट्री के बायो क्वेश्चंस। अब देखेंगे केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चंस। वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कर लेना। ओके, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ पे है, which of the given statements is incorrect? Answer D, helium is used in filling the gas balloons instead of H2 gas because helium is lighter than H2 and it is non-inflammable। ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर चुका है। इसका आंसर होगा डी, यानी कि डी जो है गलत है, बाकी ए बी सी सही है। helium is used in the production of powerful superconducting magnets। helium is used for carrying out experiments at low temperature at cryogenic effect agent। Helium is used as a inert seal for arc welding। 2. The splitting of the spectral lines under the influence of magnetic field is called as answer C, G-Man effect। M for magnetic, M for G-Man। ओके, ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, which the following statements is incorrect when a mixture of and is gently warmed with uh, conch? Answer B, chlorine gas is evolved। 4 number, when propionic acid is subjected to reduction with hydroiodic acid and red phosphorus, the product formed, answer B, propane। 5 number, in which the following compound bonding is present? Answer A, tricylamine। 6 number, identify X in the given reaction। ओके, यहाँ पे कुछ मिस्टेक है, तो नीचे से आप देख सकते हैं 4CH ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH होल 2 के प्रेशर के प्रेजेंस में जो है वो साइक्लो ऑक्टाटेट्राइन बनता है। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, इफ द वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ प्योर वाटर एट when calculated vapor pressure lowering caused by addition of the sucrose of the water is। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और 2 तो हम आराम से देख लिए थे, 3 से टेक्निकल प्रोग्राम आ रहा था। फिर से देखते हैं हम यहाँ पे थर्ड कर रहा है, which the following statement is incorrect with when a mixture of NaCl and K2Cr2O7 is gently warmed with conc H2SO4। आंसर हमारा बी और क्लोरीन गैस इज इवॉल्व्ड। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 यहाँ पे है, when propionic acid is subject to reduction with hydroiodic acid and red phosphorus, the product formed is आंसर होगा बी, प्रोपेन। 5 यहाँ पे करें, which of the following compound a p pi d pi bonding is present? आंसर ए, tricylamine। 6 नंबर यहाँ पे है, आइडेंटिफाई एक्स इन द गिवन रिएक्शन। आंसर हमारा सी हो जाएगा, साइक्लो ऑक्टा टेट्राइन। 7, if the vapor pressure of pure water at 25 degrees Celsius is 23.8 mmHg, then calculate the vapor pressure lowering caused by the addition of 100 gram of sucrose, molecular mass 342 gram per mole, 2000 gram of water। आंसर बी होगा 0.125 mmHg। 8 नंबर क्या करा, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ CuSO4 इन के जेल्डार्ड्स मेथड? आंसर डी, कैटालिटिक एजेंट। 9 नंबर का है, कैलकुलेट द रेडियस ऑफ जेनॉन एटम इफ द एज ऑफ द यूनिट सेल FCC is 620 pm। आंसर सी, 219.25 pm। 10 नंबर यहाँ पे कर रहा है, which among the following complex compound will give white PPT with BaCl2 aqueous? आंसर बी, CrNH3 whole 5 ClSO4। 11 number, product obtained in the reaction of tertiary butyl bromide with sodium methoxide is answer B, isobutylene। 12, at low pressure the van der Waals equation is expressed as answer D, Z equal to PVM by RT equal to 1 plus A by RT Vm। 13, the intermediate involves in the reaction of phenol with chloroform and sodium hydroxide to give orthohydroxybenzaldehyde is answer A, dichlorocarbene। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. With which of the following metal dilute HNO3 produces nitrous oxide? Answer B. Jadene. 15. Find the end product in the given sequence of reaction. आंसर हमारा सी होगा एसीटोन. The bond angles of NH3, NH4 plus and NH2 minus are in the order. Answer B. NH4 plus, then NH3, then NH2 minus. 17. Which the following on heating with aqueous KOH produces acetaldehyde? Answer C. CH3 CHCl2. Question 18. During extraction of silver from cyanide process, which of the following is formed? Answer A. NaAgCN all twice. 19. Which gas is emitted in fermentation? Answer B. CO2. Dissolution of sodium sulfate in water is exothermic with evolution of heat. If the temperature is raised for a saturated solution of sodium sulfate, then according to Luche-Taylor principle, answer B. Some solid will precipitate out from the solution. 21. Which named reaction is used to convert amides into amines? Answer C. Hofmann reaction. 22. Which statement is not correct about H3BO3? Answer A. It is a strong tri-basic acid. 23. Which of the given polymers is a natural polymer? Answer C. Starch. 24. What minimum concentration of SO4 2 minus is required to precipitate BSO4 from the solution containing 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 4 moles of Ba2 plus? Answer C. 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 m. 25. The alpha D-glucose and beta D-glucose differ from each other at one of the carbon atom due to difference in answer D. Configuration. 26. Which of the following ion has a maximum value of magnetic moment? Answer C. Fe plus 3. 27. The electronic configuration of nitrogen given and not this. This is explained by answer D. Hund's rule. 28. Which drug in the given is effective in the treatment of pneumonia, bronchitis? It is answer A. Penicillin. Which of the following reaction characteristics at constant temperature are changing by the addition of a catalyst to the reaction? Answer होगा A. First one यानी activation energy. 30. N2 and O2 are converted into monoanions N2 minus and O2 minus respectively. Which of the following statements is wrong? Answer B. In O2 the O bond order increases. 31. The equivalent conductance of 1 m benzoic acid is 12.8 per ohm centimeter square, and if the conductance of benzoate ion and H plus ion at infinite dilution are 42 and 288.42 per ohm centimeter square respectively, then its degree of dissociation is answer B. 3.9%. Question number 32. Which is true for internal energy of system is? Answer A. State function. 33. The boiling point of an aqueous solution of a non-electrolyte is 100.52 degrees Celsius. Then freezing point of this solution will be answer B. minus 1.86 degrees Celsius. Question number 34. If the metallurgy of copper, metallic copper is finally formed in the furnace by the reaction, answer होगा C. C2S plus 3O2 gives 2C2O plus SO2, or CuS plus 2Cu2O gives 6Cu plus SO2. 35. What is the nature of the resulting solution prepared from 100 ml of 0.2 m H2SO4 added to 100 ml of 0.2 m NaOH? Answer B. Acidic. Question number 36. Which is correct about setting of cement? Answer A. Exothermic reaction. 37. What is the hybridization of the Fe in complex K3FeCnO6 is? Answer D. D2sp3. Question number 38. Which elements in the periodic table show a diagonal relationship? Answer D. Both B and C, यानी कि elements of second period and elements of third period. 39. Based on a Langmuir absorption of isotherm at very high pressure, the amount of gas absorbed, answer B, reaches a constant limiting value. 40. 2Cui gives Cu plus Cui2 The given reaction is example of answer A, disproportion. 41. Which equation gives relation between concentration of ions in solution equal electrode potential E and standard electrode potential E naught? Answer B, Nernst equation. 42. For a reaction 2A plus B products, doubling the concentration of B alone doubles the rate, and doubling the initial concentration of both the reactant increases the rate by a factor of 8. The rate law of the reaction is answer D, rate equal to Ka to the power 2 and B. Question number 43. Calculate the work done during isothermal expansion of 1 mole of an ideal gas from 10 atm to 1 atm at 300 Kelvin. Answer C, minus 5744.1 जूल। और ये क्वेश्चन जो है रिपीट कर चुका है। आता है क्वेश्चन 44 पे। इफ C is the concentration of a weak electrolyte, alpha is the degree of ionization, and K is the acid ionization constant, then the correct relationship between alpha C and Ka is answer D, alpha equal to Ka by under root C, K by C का whole under root। 45 number, calculate the number of geometrical isomers possible for the following compound। आंसर A 4 होंगे। ओके, तो हमारे केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन सब आते हैं सीधे फिजिक्स पे। क्वेश्चन 1, एन एक्सरे ट्यूब प्रोड्यूसेस अ कंटिन्यूअस स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ radiation with its shortest wavelength of 45 × 10⁻² angstrom. The maximum energy of a photon in the radiation in the eV electron voltage. Answer A 27500. Question number 2, 2-point masses conducted by a ideal string are placed in a smooth horizontal surface as shown in the diagram. A sharp impulse of 10 kg meter per second is given to the mass 5 kg mass. The velocity of the 10 kg mass will be answer of B 1/3 meter per second. Question number 3, a car turns a corner of a slippery road at a constant speed of 10 meter per second. If the coefficient of friction is 0.5, the minimum radius of the arc in meter in which the car turns is answer A 20. Question number 4, at a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, the susceptibility of a parameter meter is found to be X. Its susceptibility at 330 degrees Celsius is answer A 0.5x. 5 number, a वायर मेड ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम हैविंग रेजिस्टिविटी रो दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे क्रॉस सेक्शन दिया हुआ है, करेंट 5 एम्पियर फ्लोज थ्रू वाटर, द वोल्टेज डिफरेंस दिया हुआ है, द लेंथ ऑफ द वायर क्या होगा? आंसर होगा C 90। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, द पावर डिसिपेटेड इन द एडिसेंट सर्किट इज आंसर D V0² / 10R। 7 number, two concentric conducting spheres of radii R1 and R2 carry electric charges इतना plus Q and minus Q. The region between the spheres is filled with two insulating layers of dielectric constant E1 and E2 with D1 and D2. Variation of the potential and electric field with the radial distance from O is given. Select the correct one. आंसर हमारा जो होगा वो होगा C। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, two identical satellites are moving around the Earth in circular orbits at heights 3 and 3r and r respectively, where r is the radius of the Earth. The ratio of their kinetic energy is answer B 1:2. Next, 9 number, a body cools from 50 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius in 5 minutes. Its temperature comes down to 33.33 degrees Celsius in the next 5 minutes. The temperature of the surrounding is answer B 20 degrees Celsius. Question number 10, when water is converted into ice, its entropy answer B decreases. Question number 11, a length of L of wire carries a steady current I. It is bent first to form a circular plane coil of 1 turn. The same length is now bent more sharply to give 3 loops of smaller radius. The magnetic field at the center caused by the same current is answer D 9 times of its initial value. Next, at the same instant, two boys throw balls A and B from the position shown with V0 and KV0 respectively, where K is a constant. For what value of the K balls will collide? Relevant data is available in the figure. Answer B is sin theta 2 by cos theta 1. 13. For the system shown in the figure, the inclined plane is fixed, all the pulleys are light and friction is absent everywhere. The tension in the string will be answer C half mg sin theta. Question number 14. Which of the following plot is correct about Maxwell's speed distribution law? आंसर हमारा D होगा और ये explanation. 15 number, two masses m1 and m2 are suspended together by a massless spring constant k. When the masses are in equilibrium, m1 is removed without disturbing the system. Find the angular frequency of oscillation of m2. Answer A, omega equal to k by m2 under root. 16. Light of energy 2 electron volt falls on a metal of work function 1.4 electron volt. The stopping potential is answer A, 0.6 volt. Question number 17. The level of water in a tank is 5 meter high. A hole of area 10 centimeter square is made in the bottom of the tank. The rate of leakage of water from the hole is answer A, 10 to the minus 2 meter cube per second. Question number 18. A prism has a refracting angle of 60 degrees Celsius. When placed in the position of minimum deviation, it produces a deviation of 30 degree. The angle of incidence is answer B, 45 degree. 19. A solid sphere and a hollow sphere of the same mass and radius are given a spin about their center of mass, and then they are placed on a rough horizontal surface. The spin angular velocity is the same for both the spheres and it is equal to omega naught. Once the sphere rolling starts, let v1 and v2 be the linear speeds of their center of mass, then answer C, v1 is less than v2. 20. If we add impurity to a metal, those atoms also deflect electrons. Therefore, answer B, the electrical and thermal conductivity both decrease. 21. Two vessels separated by by separately contain two ideal gases A and B at the same temperature. The pressure of A being twice that of B. Under such conditions, the density of A is found to be 1.5 times the density of B. The ratio of molecular weights of A and B is answer A, 3 by 4. 22. Which of the following physical quantities has neither dimension nor unit? Answer C, coefficient of friction. 23. Ratio of intensity in consecutive maxima in a diffraction pattern due to a single slit is answer D, 1 is to 4 by 9 pi square is to 4 by 25 pi square. 24. Two uniform wires of same material are vibrating under the same tension. If the first overturn of the first wire is equal to the second overturn of the second wire and radius of the first wire is twice the radius of second wire, then the ratio of length of the first wire is to second wire is answer A, 1 by 3. Question 25. The potential energy of a system increases if work is done. Answer D, upon the system by a conservative force. 26. A particle A has a charge q and a particle B has charge 4q, with each of them having the mass m. When they are allowed to fall from rest through the same potential difference, the ratio of their speeds Va is to Vb will be answer C, 1 is to 2. 27. Hammer of mass m strikes a nail of mass small m with a velocity 20 meter per second into a fixed wall. The nail penetration into the wall is of the depth of 1 centimeter. The average resistance of the wall to the penetration of the nail is answer B, 2 m square by m plus m into 10 to the power 4. 28. Consider the Earth as a uniform sphere of mass m and radius r. Imagine a straight smooth tunnel made through the Earth which connects any 2 points on its surface. Determine the time that a particle would take to go from one into the other through the tunnel. Answer B, pi into rq by gm under root. Question number 29. A bar magnet has a magnetic moment of 10 ampere meter square if its magnetic length is 5 centimeter. Its pole strength is answer A, 200 ampere meter. 30. A potentiometer experiment. The null point is obtained at a particular point for a cell on potentiometer wire x centimeter long. If the length of the potentiometer wire is increased without changing the cell, the balancing length will driving force is not changed. Answer A, increase. Question number 31. An uniformly wound solenoid coil of self-inductance 1.8 into 10 minus 4 Henry and resistance 6 ohm is broken up into two identical coils. These identical coils are then connected in parallel across 12 volt battery of negligible resistance. The time constant for the current in the circuit is answer C 0.3 10 per minus 4. Question 32. Two identical metal plates are given positive charges Q1 and Q2 less than Q1 respectively. If they are now brought together close together to form a parallel plates capacitor with capacitance C, the potential difference between them is answer D Q1 minus Q2 by 2 C. Next, question number 33. The weight of a body at Earth's surface is W. At a depth halfway to the center of the Earth, it will be assuming uniform density in the Earth. Answer B W by 2. 34. A metal rod of Young's modulus Y and coefficient of linear expansion alpha is held at S2 and such that its length remaining constant on changing the temperature. If its temperature is raised by 80 degrees Celsius, the thermal stress developed in it is answer C Y alpha T. 35. Thermodynamic system undergoes cyclic process ABCDA as shown in the figure. Work done by the system is answer A 0, and this is explanation. 36. A charged particle Q enters a region of uniform magnetic field B out of page and is deflected in distance D after traveling a horizontal distance A. The magnitude of the momentum of the particle is answer A. Next, 37. An airplane diving at an angle of 53 degree with the vertical releases a projectile at an altitude of 730 meter. The projectile hits the ground 5 seconds after being released. The speed of the aircraft is answer B 202 meter per second. Question number 38. A man of mass 60 kg climbed down using an elevator. The elevator had an acceleration of 4 meter per second square. If the acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square, the man's apparent weight of on his way down is answer C 360 Newton. Question number 39. FPP, FNN and FNP are the nuclear forces between proton, neutron and neutron respectively. Then the relation between them is answer C FPP equal to FNN equal to FNP. Question number 40. A body is vibrating into simple harmonic motion with the amplitude 0.06 meter and frequency 15 Hz. The maximum velocity and acceleration of the body is answer D, and this is explanation. Next, 41. A uniform electric field and a uniform magnetic field exist in a region in the same direction. An electron is projected with a velocity pointed in the same direction. Then the electron will be answered C, not be deflected, but its speed will decrease. Question number 42. Terminal velocity of a spherical object varies with the radius of object R as answer A, and this is explanation. Question number 43. What is the angle of incidence of an equilateral prism of refractive index under root 3 so that the ray is parallel to the base inside the prism? Answer C 60 degree. Question number 44. A sphere of mass m and radius r rolls on a horizontal plane without slipping with the speed u. Now it rolls up vertically. The maximum height it would attain will be answer C 7 u square by 100 10 g, and this is explanation. Question number 45. If in a PN junction diode a square input signal of 10 volt is applied as shown, then the output signal across RL will be answer A. ओके, ये सारे थे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री और बायो क्वेश्चन. वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कर लेना, और जो PDF चाहिए फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो के सारे इंडिया अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट के, वो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में चेक कर सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे.